First, strong, damaging winds are ripping across Colorado tonight, causing widespread issues.
A high wind warning in effect for parts of the state. Gusts up to 90 miles per hour possible. High winds cut power in Idaho Springs, forcing a lot of downtown businesses there to close.
Outages were also wide-reaching across the Front Range today. At one point, more than 10,000 customers were without power. Xcel Energy's outage map shows that number is now at about 2,200.
All right, the wind's also increasing avalanche danger today. An avalanche watch in effect north of Steamboat Springs, and more than 100 slides have been recorded in Colorado just in the last week.
We have live team coverage for you tonight as Denver 7 is committed to keeping you and your family safe. Our Clara Faith is in the Weather Center tracking the wind alerts and when conditions will die down.
All right, first Maggie Wilansky live in Idaho Springs. And Maggie, the folks up there really felt the winds today.
Shannon, really feeling the winds up here. I am in downtown Idaho Springs and I'm just feeling those gusts. They're ripping through this downtown area. We can see it in the signs above these businesses. It just keeps going back and forth. Now, a lot of these businesses did have to close down for the day because there was a power outage. The good news, that power came back on about an hour ago. Now, I wanted to check in with some avalanche experts to hear how high wind can also play a factor in avalanches. Being a seasoned skier,
I get excited when there is plenty of snow.
Zachary Milanoff knows Mother Nature plays a role in the fun.
I think it will be okay. And the thing is that this is my first day backcountry skiing for the season.
But right now, she's giving the cold shoulder.
I'm not excited because I know that there is not enough snow.
Instead, bringing high winds, which Zachary does not have a problem with as he gears up to backcountry ski on Berthoud Pass.
I'm not going like all the way up to a peak or something because on peaks will be really windy.
The National Weather Service on Tuesday issued a high wind warning in the Front Range Mountains and northern foothills.
We haven't had one of these days really since late October. So the first high wind warnings since late October.
Denver 7 Chief Meteorologist Lisa Hidalgo explains how high winds can lead to avalanche risk.
Two big factors when it comes to avalanche danger is heavy snow and then gusty winds, because those gusty winds will create kind of a weak slab on the mountain, and that's when we typically see, when the winds pick up, our avalanche warnings pop up.
Now, there was an avalanche watch on Tuesday for the Park Range.
Yeah, we just put out a watch for that same Park Range. We've got a pretty potent kind of atmospheric river and jet support, mostly to the north of us.
When it comes to how avalanches are formed, Brian Lazar, Deputy Director of the Colorado Avalanche Information Center, explains how wind can play a factor.
The ingredients we need are some, weak underlying snow, and then we need stiffer, stronger snow on top of that. And winds are often the architect of building those stiffer layers of snow, which we call wind-drifted slabs.
It's a reminder for those heading out, especially up in northern Colorado, to be careful.
Everybody loves the snow, and it's been so much better for skiers and snowboarders, but just be careful. I mean, those backcountry skiers especially, because it can get real dangerous in a hurry.
And for shredders like Zachary, he's just wishing for some better conditions.
There is not a lot of snow at all. Same time last year, we had 100 inches of snow so far. This year, we have much less.
Now, compared to last year, Brian said we are behind in those avalanche numbers, but he did say that the snowpack is evolving to what we do see compared to other seasons. Live in Idaho Springs, Maggie Wilansky. Shannon, back to you.
All right, Maggie Wilansky.